So today I'm gonna clean my Kia Stinger's interior. I'm gonna be using a steamer, and I'm gonna use some Adams Polishes interior cleaner. So let's get into the products. So the products we're gonna use today is Adams Polishes Total Interior Cleaner. I have 2 different scrub brushes. I have the Rag Company's all-purpose cloth. I have the Waffle Weave cloth by Meguiar's, so this is really good for windows. And I have my steamer, the Wagner. I'm just gonna put distilled water into this. So let's get into cleaning. So I really like to start vacuuming first, so I'm gonna vacuum up all of this dirt and debris that are within the carpets and on the top of the seat. So what I like to do before I steam clean is just to use this Adams Polishes very soft brush. I like to get all the excess like dirt or a little bit of debris that's still on your door. I like to do this right before I actually steam clean. So let's get into steam cleaning. There's 3 different attachments I'm going to use today. So I have just the regular spout, so this is going to be good for cup holders, the side of the doors, inside the doors. I have the black brush, so this is going to be good for car mats. You don't really want to put this on your leather seats because it could scratch it, because they are kind of stiff for the bristles. But other than that, yeah, I just use these for carpet. And then I have this gray one. This one's a lot softer, so this one's going to be for my leather seats. When I'm using the steamer, I like to spray down each side of the panel, and I immediately wipe dry. So you want to make sure that there's no water residue left over, and if needed, you can always grab another towel. When using the steam cleaner next to your gauge cluster, you don't want to get too close because you can trap steam within your gauge cluster and it's very difficult to remove. Do not spray the steamer directly onto the navigation screen. This could damage it. So I'm going to use a gray brush on this, on the steamer. So you can put a microfiber towel over the brush. I'm actually not going to, but that is an option you could do. So let's get into it. When using the steam cleaner on your leather seats, you want to make sure that you scrub all the areas. This will remove body oils and any leftover dirt that's still on your leather seat.
switch over to the black brush. Let's get into it.
Using the steam cleaner for your floor mats will help pick up any dirt or grime that's embedded into your floor mats. This will also sanitize and deodorize your floor mats. So guys, I'm done with my quick little interior cleaning. So I cleaned my leather seats, I cleaned the cluster, I cleaned all the interior plastic pieces, I cleaned the center console, and I cleaned the doormats. So as you can see, very clean, and it was very quick and easy with the steamer. Please like, comment, and subscribe. I'll see you guys in the next video.